Heron's formula, I think.
Yeah, exactly. It was about the Heron's formula. Fine. So today we'll have a this discussion related to the statistics and the probability, right? Okay, you people have already read it, as you know. Wait a second, I'm going to share my screen in a while. Okay. Okay, no issue, Shri Vishwab. We can do one thing. We can just have a few, not too much questions for this probability end. What we can do, we can just have a quick this core part of this probability only, how to get the probability of anything. And the most important thing, as I already told you about this thing as well, the most important thing is that you need to find out the sample space. Hmm? Okay, if you will be able to find the sample space, you will be able to find the event related to that, then the finding the probability becomes easier job for you people. Okay, that will be done later on. First of all, just have a focus on the stat part. Okay, like the
Sir,
weighted.
sir, when are the revision classes ending? 11 February, right?
Mhm.
Sir, the revision classes are ending 11 February, right?
Yeah, exactly. That means this will be your last class for the revision one, isn't it?
Yes.
Hmm. Okay, fine. So let's start with the statistics. Okay, first of all, in order to start with, first of all, I just want to know from you people that what do you understand by the mean? What do you understand by the mean? Statistics, because I'm going to. We have already discussed about the group data. We have already discussed about the ungrouped data. We have already discussed about the frequency table, and that's okay. We will be giving questions from that very end and as well. First of all, let me start with, if I tell you what do you mean by mean, right? Okay, that is an average. Okay, mean. Okay, of an ungrouped data, because we will not touch the group data or the frequency table mostly here. From if you have a means, suppose you have a number of the terms that is 3, 6, 9, 4, 1, 7 and 10. Okay, so the mean will be given as the average, that is denoted by x bar, that is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1, huh, plus 7 plus 10. How much it is?
40.
Whole divided by the total number of terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this will be 40 over, let me do one more thing. Happy? 48
Yes,
divided by
sir.
divided by 8, that is 6. Okay.
Sir, what is there to be sad in this?
Huh?
What is there to be sad in this?
There are many people who just got sad by seeing the fraction.
Before we had to do 40 by 7. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah, so how to find the median? How to find the median? Yes, can anyone tell me how to find the median part of it? See, in the median, you have to take a note of two things. It depends upon the number of the terms. Yes, who will explain this to me? If terms are odd, if terms are odd,
So if first of all, sir, you have to put them in an ascending order,
good.
and second, you have to put a formula for odd. If it is odd number of
Hmm.
numbers, then you have to put a formula of n by 2. If it is a even number of numbers, then you have to put a
If it is
formula.
odd, then the median is n plus 1 by 2th term.
Okay, okay,
If
sorry,
it
sir.
is even, then it is the mean of, then it is the mean of
N
n
plus 1
by
by 2.
2th
And
and
yeah,
yes,
n
n
plus one.
by n by 2 plus 1th term.
Yes, sir.
It will be mean of these two things, right? Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us suppose this is the terms. First of all, arrange in the ascending order. This is 1, 3, then 4, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 number of the terms. So the mean will be, which is the nth term, fifth term, that is 10 by 12th term. That is equal to fifth term and sixth term. Fifth and sixth term. What is the fifth term? One, two, three, four. Oh, sorry. There are
Sir, there are 8 observations.
there are 8 terms. So it is fourth term and the fifth term. What is the fourth term here? Fourth term is here 6
6.
and the fifth term is here 7. So it will be the mean of these two terms. Mean of these two terms means 6 plus 7
Plus
divided
7
by
by
2.
2.
How much is 6 plus 7? 6 plus 7 is 31 divided by 2. That is equal to 6.5.
Sir, but this is again a sad number.
I can't do
Put
this.
8. Put
It's
8.
not 31. I just told this. This is 13. Oh, 13 by 1 divided by 6. Is that clear? Is
Yes.
that thing clear?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay, fine. So this was about how to find the mean, how to find the median, and one more thing, one more terminology that we have. Yes, anyone can tell me what's a mode?
Sir,
The
number of
most.
number.
Most
Sir,
recurring.
Hmm?
sir, frequency of a number.
Okay, mode is the number.
Sir, an observation with the most frequency.
Yeah, a number having most frequency. Okay, for example, you have 1 3 7 2 7 2 7 2 3 4 3 2 1 3. Okay, you can see the how many times 1 is being occurring. 2
2,
times. How many times 2 is being occurring? 3 times. How
3,
many times 3 is being occurring? 4
4,
times. How many
4.
times 7 is being occurring? 4 is occurring
2.
once. 4 is
4 is
occurring
1,
twice.
7 is
So
twice.
in short, you can see that 3 is occurring most number of the times. So you can see the mode is here 3, isn't it?
3.
Good. Now a question to you people. Now a question to you people before moving to the weighted mean and before moving to the in the frequency distribution table, the mid value of a class is 15. The class interval is 4. Not getting it. Okay, class interval. Yes, Gorang.
Sir, I want. It's a doubt.
Okay, it's easy one. See, class interval is 4. That means length of this is 4, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it should be 13 to 17.
So yeah.
Which one is the middle one of them? 15.
Yes, sir.
Simple.
And sir, if we have to like tell it in that way, like if we have to write the method for it.
No, there is no method. You can, it is a simple way. It is just a logical question. There is no method like that.
Okay.
It's just a logical question. Okay. Suppose the question is the mean of data given below is 28. Okay. Find x. You have to find the value of x, right? How to do it? First of all, the data given is 17 x 24 x plus 7, right? And there is 35, there is 36, there is 45. Okay, how to find x? Come on, do it. 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, good. Come on, do it. Come on, do it fast. Yes, do it fast. You know how to find the mean. That's easy.
Sir, is my answer.
Me too, sir.
Gorang, it's correct. Umair, it's correct. Dhruv, it's wrong. Johan, it's correct. Prisha, it's correct. Tuba, very good. It's correct. Yes, Dhruv, now it's correct. Same, correct, good. Now, what about the others? Shri Vishwa, Arshid, Harshita, Chavi, Hasni, Hasib.
So just a minute, I'm not getting the correct answer.
Chavi, good. Yes, Dhruv. See, let me explain this thing. Who will explain this to me? Can anyone? Mm, see, this is sum of all the terms. Simple. Okay. As you know, this is simple sum of all the terms, and the total number of terms are 7, and the mean is given to be 28. Just put this 7 here and get the sum of all of them. The sum is 164, and here x plus x will be 2x, and this is 7 into 28 is 196, right?
196.
And
196.
2x will be equal to 196 divided minus 164, so 2x will be
32.
32. So x will be 32 divided by 2, that is 16. Simple. Okay, is that clear? Okay, now see, now we have corrected mean. Suppose sometimes the incorrect mean is to be given. Okay, we have to given the correct mean. How to find the correct mean? Okay, see, now what is the procedure for doing that? Suppose I will give the question. Question is the average mean of 10 students. There are 10 students, and the average mean of 10 students in class was calculated as 166. Okay, their mean was calculated as 166. We can say average like this. See, average marks, because average itself means that it's a mean. The average marks of 10 students in the class was calculated as 166. Okay, after rechecking, it was observed. Is it possible that after rechecking there is a marks can be
Marks can be detected, not added. It can only be detected.
but believe me, Umair, I have when I was in 10th grade, I have done this thing and my marks got somehow increased, and that's the thing. And I don't want to reveal
Sir,
that to video.
you gave rishwat or what?
No,
How
not
do you
Rishwat.
take this?
That was a simple trick that I have done. So I don't want
Okay.
to really reveal it here. After rechecking, it was observed. It was observed that it was observed marks of one of student
Sir, the first rule of maths, if you get a
was
question, never go for logic, go for maths.
written as, sorry, 160.
Rule of maths, if you get a question and it contains some story or something, then never go for logic. For example, if you get a question, a boy buys 20 watermelons,
Hmm.
then ask why will he buy 20 watermelons?
So we don't have to go for logic.
Yeah.
Find the mean of corrected marks. Okay. See, listen, the question is the average mean of 10 students in a class was calculated as 166. Okay. Now, this is the mean when there was something is wrong. After rechecking, it was observed that one student was written as the marks of one student was written as 160. That means 160 was there. 160 was there. Fine. But instead of 150, we have to write 150, but he wrote 160. Okay. Now, you have to find the correct mean. Simple. Okay.
Correct answer, correct.
Oh my God. Dhruv has given the answer. Umair has given the answer. Hassan, you people. Okay. I think both of it is correct. Let's do it. Okay. What is incorrect mean? What is incorrect mean? Okay. That is
166.
sum divided by number of students. Isn't it? Sum of marks. Okay. What is incorrect mean? That is 166. What is the sum of marks? I don't know. And how many number of the students that we have? We have 10 number of students. So sum of marks will be 166 into 10, that is equal to 1660. Okay, this is the total sum. Okay, this is the total sum. Now listen, in this total sum, but this is the incorrect sum of the marks. Okay, let me write it here. Incorrect sum of marks. So incorrect sum of marks. Why? Because in this we have written the one value as the incorrect. So what is the actual sum? Actual sum. Actual sum will be incorrect sum. First of all, this is the incorrect sum. After that, I will deduce 160, which was written wrong. And after that, I will increase 160. Listen first. That means, see, I had written there 160, but I need to write here only 150. That means I have write 10 marks extra. So I will write incorrect sum, that is 1660 minus 10. You can not in place of this you can just write negative 10, because I have written there 160, that is 10 marks extra. This can be done. Is that okay? Is that okay? Okay, so the mean will be actual mean will be yes, actual mean will be yes, 1650. That is the actual sum divided by total number of, that is 165. Is that clear? Is that thing clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, John. Prisha, Tuba, correct. Okay, now let's go for one more question of the same form. After that, we will go for weighted mean. See, the question is the average height of 20 students, okay, in a class. You just write the question is 160 centimeter. That's the average height. What does it you mean by the average height? That means it is the mean. On verification, on verification, it was found that it was found that a reading of one of the student was wrongly recorded as 142 instead of 152. So instead of 152, it was written one. Find the new average of height. Come on. Oh my God. Yes, Umair. Good. Correct. Umair, I think you are not even writing the question. Just writing whatever it is given and
Sir, I'm not using Google. I will tell you that.
Huh?
I'm not using Google
I know.
because when in online class, if I do when online classes were on for school, teachers used to think I'm using Google.
John, correct. Drew, correct.
Sir is using Chat GPT.
Tuba, correct. Chavi, very nice. Chavi, you have done given the yes, good, very nice. Come on, everyone. Arshid, do it fast. Sayam, correct, very nice. Yes, others, please do it fast as well. I'm waiting for your answer. Prisha, you have done?
Yes, sir, I sent it. Should I send it again?
No, leave. Because all the answers that I got, they were all correct.
Okay, sir.
Gorang, Hasni, Hasib, Shri Vishwa, Talha. Talha, why your camera is off? Harshita, Anushka, Anishka, are you there? Do it. Avni, Marina, yes. Talha, you are not able to do it? Okay, those who are not able to do it, just raise your hands. Just raise or write me in the chat. Sir, please show this. I will get to know. Those again, see, those who are not able to do it, just write me in the chat, sir, please show it, or just show it, or I'm not able to get it. So that I can get a clue. अरे यार Shri Vishwa, no, it's wrong. Marina, are you able to do it? Marina,
Yes, I'm doing.
and yeah, how much time it will take? It's very easy. It's very easy. See, what is the incorrect? What is the incorrect average? Okay, incorrect mean is equal to incorrect sum divided by total persons, isn't it? Total students. What is the incorrected mean? That is equal to 160. Okay. What is the incorrect sum? We don't know. Incorrect sum. And this thing is divided by 20, right? Is that okay? Okay. Tell me how much will be incorrect sum? Yes.
3,200, 160 into 20.
Incorrect sum. That is 3,200. Okay. Now, actual sum will be
3,200 minus 142.
3,200 minus 142. See, I have written 142, but I have to write 150. That means I need to add 10. That is 3,210. Isn't it? So what is the actual mean? What is the mean now? That is 3,210 divided by 20. This is 160.5. Okay. Okay. Any confusion? Okay. Now let's go for the next concept that is known as a weighted mean. What do you mean by weighted mean? Can anyone tell me what is a weighted mean? Sorry, not weighted mean. Weighted mean is the same thing that it is here. It's combined mean. Combined mean. Okay. What is meant by the combined mean? See, we will do this quickly. After that, I will just switch to the probability. Just 3 to 4 questions for the probability is needed because that is done after that. Okay. Now, what do you mean by combined mean? See, I will give you the simple clue. If x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar, so on, xn bar are the means of n1, n2, n3, so on, n observations. Observations respectively. Okay, that means x1 bar is the mean of n1 observations, x2 bar is the mean of x2 observations, x3 bar is the mean of n3 observations, and so on. Then the combined mean. Okay, then the combined mean of all of them is given by what will be the combined mean of all of them? The combined mean is given by x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar, n2 x2 bar, so on, n times n xn bar divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3, so on, n times n. Is that thing clear? Is that thing clear?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion? I hope no. Okay. Uh, suppose I will give you a question. If combined mean, if combined mean of two groups is 40/3. So combined mean is 40/3, it's given. And and if mean of one group with 10 observations is 15, right? Okay, then the mean of other group with 8 observations is simple. See, first of all, just write the credentials what is being given. Okay, see, let us suppose first of all combined mean, that is x bar, that is 40/3, that is given. Okay, after that the n1, that means first observations there are 10, x1 bar, total number of this, that is 15. Okay, and the mean of other group with 8 observations, that means other group is also given with 8 observations. Now what you need to find, that is x2 bar. Fine. How to do it? We know the formula. That x bar is equal to n x1 bar plus n x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. Simple. This n is given as 10 times x1 bar, that is 15, plus yes, 8 x2 bar divided by 10 plus
Sir, is
8.
my answer correct?
Let me do it. It might be correct. You will get to know. Don't worry. It's easy. Okay. Now, this is 40/3. This is equal to 150 plus 8x2 bar divided by 18. Right? Isn't it? Is it so?
Yes.
So this is 240, because 3136 is equal to 150 plus 8x2 bar. Okay. This is equal to 90 is equal to 8x2 bar. Okay, because 149 is this. So x2 bar will be equal to 90 divided by 8, that is equal to 45 divided by 4, that is equal to 11.25. 45 divided by 4, that is 11.25. That is your x2 bar. Is that okay? Yes, Umair, Prisha, correct. Okay. Okay,
Okay. Sir.
very good. Okay,
Sir,
shall we
can I
know?
show the question for this one?
If the combined mean of two groups is 40/3, and if mean of one group is 10, of 10 with 10 observations is 15, the mean of other group with 8 observations is simple.
Okay, sir, done.
Okay. Okay, come on. Let's move to the next one very quickly. If mean income of one group is 400 and mean income of mean income means average income of other group is, let us suppose, 480. Okay, rupees 400, 400 and 480 per day. Okay, if combined mean is if combined mean of both groups is 430. If the combined mean of both the groups is 430, find a ratio of number of people in the two groups. That means you have to find n1 is to n2. Do it fast. Good, Dhruv. इतनी जल्दी. I hope you have done it. Don't worry, I know you have done it on yourself.
Sir, you gave the same question before, exact same.
Have I done the same?
Yes, sir. Sir, I
don't-
think before it was 500, 580, and 530.
Okay.
Sir, is
I
the
don't-
answer correct?
Umair. But I'm getting the different answers from the different persons. It's Prisha. You have given 5. No. 5 is to 2. No, Prisha, it's not correct. Umair, your answer might be correct. Yes. Your answer is correct, Umair. Yes, I am correct. Others, please do it fast. Chavi,
I'm
Prisha,
not
now.
getting this one.
You're not getting this one? Chavi, what's given? What's given?
The mean of both the groups are given.
That means x1 bar is given.
X1, yeah, X1 and X2 is given.
Okay. X bar is also given. Because the combined
Yeah.
mean is also given. Is n1 given?
No,
Is n2 given?
no.
So you have to find the ratio of that. Apply the formula.
So, sir, can we take both the N1 and N2 as X, or do we need
No,
to
no,
take?
no, no. Just take them as it is. N1 and n2.
Okay.
Wait, I will show it. What is n1? What is x1 bar? 400. What is x2 bar? 480. What is x bar? 430. Okay. So x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. Right? This is 400 and wait. This is 430 is equal to n times x1. This is 400 plus n1 and 2 times 480 divided by n1 plus n2. Okay. Yes, Prisha. This is going that there after multiplication. This is 430 n1, 430 n2. This is equal to 400 n1. Okay. 480 n2. Okay. Take one on the other side and the other will be on this side. Okay. This is 480 n2. Take n1s here. This is 430 480N1 minus 400N1. This is 480N2 minus 430N2. This is equal to 30N1 is equal to 50N2. So I will write here N1 over N2 is equal to 50 divided by 30. This and this will go. This is 5 by 3. This is 5:3. Simple. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Listen now. Now listen, everyone. Uh, Now, shall we start with the few questions from the probability? Yes, Arshid, it's correct. Is it okay? Because now it's okay for you to go the statistics questions. Okay, let's have some few more questions from the probability. Probability means you can simply say that the probability means the chance of happening. In fact, this is probability of any event is probability is equal to number of elements in number of, wait, I need to stop it once because, wait a second. Number of favorable elements divided by total elements, isn't it? And what do you mean by the sample space? I have taught this thing to you. What do you mean by sample space? Can anyone tell me?
Like a list
The
of all the
events that
possible
Total
outcomes.
elements to what's possible outcomes. Number of the favorable, I will say not elements, outcomes. Okay, divided by the total outcomes. Okay, total outcomes. Let us suppose simple, if question is, if coin is flipped thrice, then thrice means
3 times.
then find probability of getting then find the probability of getting tails at on the third coin, tails on third coin. That means on
So,
the third.
3 coins are flipped continuously, simultaneously.
No. First, second, third. Okay, what could be the possible outcomes? It could be first head, second head, third times also head. First head, second head, third times tail. First head, second tail, third tail, head, head. Okay, head, tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, tail,
So
tail.
9 possibilities, no?
8 possibilities.
So it's 9, no?
How? I will explain this thing to you right now. So let E be the in which getting the 3 tails only. What is the element third? This is head, head, tail, isn't it? Where I'm getting the third, in the third coin, I'm getting the tail here. And in the third coin, I'm getting the tail here, tail, head, tail. In the third coin, I'm getting the tail here. This is tail, tail, tail. How many elements are there? Probability of this is my
So it's
favorable.
also 1 by 2.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 divided by 8, that is 1 by 2. This is the probability.
So all the time, like if heads or tails, it's all mostly 1 by 2 only.
No.
2. No?
No, why it is? Suppose F is one more event. Okay, find probability of getting, find probability of getting exactly one tail. Exactly one tail. Suppose this is a set of getting the exactly one tail. This has the exactly one tail, that is head, head, tail. This has the exactly one tail, head, tail, head, and this has the exactly one tail, head, head. So how many, suppose I will put this F. So what is the probability of F? Yes. How many elements are
1.
here? 3. And how
Okay,
many
no.
elements are in total? That is 3 by 8. Got it?
Oh, oh yeah.
Remember one thing. Remember one thing.
So here,
Probability
probability of getting exactly one tail, we can also add TTH, no?
TTH, TTH, TTH. I have written because I'm getting one tail in the 3 tosses. I'm getting
Question,
one.
there's only one tail. We cannot add two
Exactly one
tails.
tail. Exactly one
Ah,
tail.
okay, okay.
It's saying one tail. It's not saying one tail. It's saying exactly one tail.
Okay, sir,
Then
got
it
it.
should have
Yeah.
said at least one tail.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can see probability is always greater than 0 and it's less than 1. That means it is between 0 to 1. Okay. Okay. You can see. Now let us suppose how many of you have read the probability, isn't it? Have you read or not?
Yes, sir.
See, since this is a revision going on, it is just, I just wanted to give you the simple questions from the probability. Okay. Now let us suppose I have one more question. Question is, if die is, or I will say, if two dice are rolled simultaneously. Simultaneously means
Same
At
time.
the same time.
At the same time.
then find probability of getting a doublet. Doublet means,
1, 1, 2, 2, 2,
okay,
2,
first
2,
tell
8.
me how many elements will be in the sample space. I have taught you this. Speak up, speak
Sir,
up, speak.
Sir, it
36.
will be 6 square.
No, not 6. How many elements will be there in the sample space?
36 because 6 square is 36.
Very good. So at the end, this will be 6 comma 6. So the total elements, if I say E is the set of getting a doublet, doublet means 1 1, 1 2, 1 3. Oh, sorry. 1 1 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. Isn't it? So what is the probability of getting a doublet? That is 6 out of 36. That is 1 by 6. Right?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay. Okay. Next question. I will, in the same set, F is the event. F is, let us suppose, I will say, find probability of getting sum greater or equal to 8. When you throw two dice, so the sum of these two elements should be greater than or equal to 8. Come on, do it. Yes. Yes, I think Anushka, Dhruv. Joan. See, listen, yeah, listen. No pressure, it's not possible. First of all, let me write any set, by which let me write this set as F. Okay, you have to get 8. How to get 8? 4 4, 6 2, 2 6, 3 5, 5 3. Isn't it? Then start. Any other thing?
6 6.
No. First of all, start with the 8. Now, how to get 9? 6 3, 3 6, 5 4, 4 5. Isn't it? How to get
Yes.
10? 5 5, 6 4, 4 6. How to get 11? 5 6, 6 5. How to get 12? 6 6. How to get 13?
6 7.
Sir,
6
by
7.
cheating.
In die, there is no 7. So the highest possible sum is 12. What is the lowest
Alright,
possible
yeah.
sum? What is the lowest possible sum?
2.
2.
2.
Oh,
Wait. So what's the probability of F? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is 15 over 36. Okay. This will be 5 by 12. This is your answer.
I've got it.
Hmm? Okay. One more question. You are familiar with the cards, aren't you? Okay. There should be one complete session for the probability. Maza aata, isn't it? So in a deck of 52 cards, I will try if I can make one session for the probability. If you people want. In a deck of 52 cards, how many of people want one complete session for the probability? Raise your hands. In a in a deck of 52 cards, oh my god, no one wants.
Sir, I want for limits or that differentiation.
Yeah, sir. The
One
different thing, not probability.
differentiation.
Pro differentiation, limits, integration, these things. Because probability is easy chapter, not
But
limit.
I have showed you limits.
So that was upri, right? Like it was very basic.
Sir, you said differentiation came from like the idea of limits, right? So if you
Yeah,
could teach about that, then could you?
it's you told us that you will teach us later, but not the last class of the year.
I will try. Don't worry. How many of you are with the limits or differentiation if you want, so that I can, if possible, I can make it happen for the.
Sir, and then can you also teach that binomial expansion of the polynomials?
Sir, 3, sir, the attendance will be 3. Me, Dhruv, and Prisha. Okay. No more students.
I will see. Don't worry. In a deck of 52 cards, in a deck of 52 cards, in a deck of, don't worry, you will learn in either way. In a deck of 52 cards, if all the diamonds are removed, Then all queens are also removed. Find probability of getting a face card. Is it possible for you to do? Are you sure though? See, total are 52 cards. And total diamonds is 13.
13,
Total queens are
4.
4. Now from the 52, you have to remove 13. And after removing 13, how much you have to remove? 4.
3.
4 or 3?
3.
3.
Why?
Because
Because
one,
one of the queens
queen
is
is
a
not
Very
diamond.
removed with
good. Very
diamond.
good. So how much it is left? 36. So cards left. That is 36. Okay. Now face cards left. Tell me, face cards left. How much?
4.
Total face cards are
3.
12. 12.
4.
Total in the card deck, right? Yes. 12.
In a deck of cards, there are total 12 face cards. And now each suit contains 3 face card. Now from the diamond, 3 face cards are removed. Since all the queens are removed, 1 queen is already removed. So there is again 3 queens are removed from the ace. Oh, sorry, from the spades, from the diamond, from the clubs, and from the hearts. So this is equal to 6. So probability will be 6 by 36. That is 1 by 6. This is your answer. Is that thing clear? Very good, very good. No, Anushka, that was wrong. Is that thing clear? Any
Yeah.
confusion? Any confusion? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. So this thing was all for today from here. Okay. Take care.
That means it's the last class, right?
Hmm?
It's
Sorry?
the last class, right?
Yeah, this was the last class.
Okay.
Okay. Enjoy. Take care. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye,
Thank you, sir.
everyone. All the
Bye.
best.
Thank you,
Alex.
sir.
Thank
All
you,
the
sir.
best.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye, sir.